Alright folks, Alan Rubel coming back at you for Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures. You guessed it, we got us another Sling Pack review, and what do we have this time? We got the 511 Rush MOAB 10. So stay tuned with us.
This is a little bit closer look at
Alright folks, well, man, this is just an awesome sling pack. So I mean, you can't go wrong with the with 511 tactical gear. So I had to pick this up as I just love sling packs. So we're going to get right over here to the tabletop, so stay tuned. Alright folks, here we go. We're just going to go right at it here. Just a quick review of my impressions of the MOAB 10. So the MOAB is the Mobile Operation Attachment Pack. And that's really where the thought is of this sling pack. It is designed to attach itself to some of the other modular bags of 511, like the 72-hour or the 24-hour. This is the only 511 tactical bag that I own. I have a couple different LA police gear backpacks. I really like LA police gear. It's a bit more affordable in my price range, and in my opinion just as well of quality built as 511. So anyway, I really do admire the Rush packs from 511, so I figured I would go ahead and get one just to see how I like it. And I have absolutely zero complaints with the quality of this sling pack. It is amazing, top of the line, it's bulletproof. There's nothing I can say against the quality. I believe it's 1050 denier. It's got the YKK self-healing zippers. Just plenty of moly. The stitching is impervious. Beautiful pack. So let's just get past it. If you're questioning the quality of 511, that's the wrong question. It's top of the line quality. I think Maxpedition's probably a little higher quality. You're going to find a higher price point as well. But that question's off the table. It's got the quality is outstanding, but I do have some complaints here about the design of this bag. I got some pet peeves. So I do have a few different sling packs I use for various reasons, and so I can already see a few different design items I would change. So it comes with these attachment straps that basically buckles into the molly that connects your attachment pack to the, like I say, the modular system for 511. So right here I have used, and you can see it, I have used one of these straps to attach a small tripod. I do filming, and so you can see that's how I have it set up. I have it with one of the removable straps, comes with two buckles, and then this is one of the other compression straps that come on the pack itself. So I'm just going to get this little tripod out of the way, just put it on there for an idea. Like I say, I did use one of those additional straps to make that happen. So again, great quality. But I got a couple pet peeves. So the two reasons for this pack would be to attach it to another 511 gear, and also it has a hidden conceal and carry pocket. So that is the other big selling point about this Sling Pack that 511 pushes. And to be honest with you, I wasn't super impressed with it. I do have another conceal and carry Sling Pack. So I'm definitely comparing the two as far as the price is concerned. But here's where that hidden pouch is. Once you get anything of significance in there, it doesn't close all the way, and it does fill up this front pocket very quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this. It does have some Velcro lining in it. I have it with the Glock 19 for size purposes. But it did not come with a carry holster. The other one I bought, it came with the carry holster hooked right into the pack itself. So there's a notch against 511. Anyway, the Velcro is very sturdy. I have not carried a concealed carry firearm in this. This is my scouting pack. So basically, it is said on 511's website that this is a go bag or a bug out bag, and it couldn't be anything further from the truth. It's definitely a EDC bag or maybe a get home bag, but definitely not a go bag. But it's my scouting pack. When I want to go light, I'm going with this bag. But to be honest with you, my next design flaw is, so the other thing that they advertise heavily about this pack is that it's ambidextrous. Okay, it's made for left or right-handed. I think that's great. Thinking of the left-handed operators out there, but right here, here's where the other pad is stowed, right on this side, and you can clip it either way, right or left-handed side. Now, once we get beyond that, and now you have a right or left-handed operator, this pack gets really heavy, really quick, and rather than having a right or a left pack of itself and it being ambidextrous, I would rather have a stabilization that connects to the strap. So when it gets heavy, then you have that third point, anchor point, to keep this in place when you're hiking and the pack is swaying back and forth. So I'm glad it's ambidextrous. I'm glad they're thinking of the left-handed operators out there. However, I would have rather have had the additional stabilization connection right here, a smaller, thinner strap to connect to this main strap to help stabilize. So there's another flaw. Again, I love this pack. I bought it. I probably would not buy it again. There's a MOAB 6 for $60. It might be, in the size frame, I don't think it's worth 60, but in that size frame, maybe it is a little more flexible than this. This is almost like a small backpack, but only has one strap, so to speak. Anyway, we can get into it. I did show you the carry, the conceal and carry portion. So we're going to open up the admin pouch, and it folds wide open. Just got a few things in here. Let me get these out of the way. So I left this in here. You can see this is a AR mag, perfect size for the AR mag. And so again, I'm not gonna knock 511's quality whatsoever. It's great. It's very well organized. However, with my other sling packs, this admin pouch, it would be great if it was for right-handed and every pocket was left this way or opposite direction, and you sling the pack around to your front side and then able to get into the pack. However, this is now orientated up and down, so when I sling this pack around to the front, all the pockets are orientated upwards. Now it's a very organized admin pouch, and again, very stiff quality. it's not going to wear out. So you're paying for the quality. I got a couple other Sling Packs that's already being wore in and not even had them for a couple years. So this is going to last a long time, but if I was to change anything, it'd be the right or left hand side, and those pockets would be orientated there, so you sling it around and they're orientated in one direction. Now again, it's not hard to access those, but when the pack is on your chest like so, you know, it just would make more sense. So then we get into the main compartment. These zippers open all the way up, and it clamshells all the way open, as you can see. Beautiful. I love that. Just clamshells all the way open. You can take it off, put it on the ground, open it up. Everything's accessible. Give you a little size comparison. This is not a big pack. It really is not at all. Again, it's more for scouting, going lightweight. So I just left a couple items in here. You can kind of see the size frame of it, but there's not a lot of room, especially when you got that handgun in the front. It takes up this compartment very, very quickly. It's going to eat up your space. Now these webbing, web pouches and zipper, again, these are more in line of being able to open across your body, and it is ambidextrous. This is the way that this front pouch should have been. Where I don't like the design, I would rather it be one side or the other, but this way it works for both right and left-handed operators. So anyway, again, you got a bungee pouch here for a jacket or what the case may be. Pretty good size main compartment. And again, I just love these zippers. And I love the way that clamshell's right open all the way. We get into the felt lined sunglass pocket. I love that. I miss that on when you're used to that pocket and it's not on a pack. You definitely miss that for sure. One thing here I failed to mention: it does have a bladder compartment here for your bladder, and this hard plastic back. Now this hard plastic back is extremely difficult once you remove it to get back in. I went ahead and trimmed it down here at the bottoms and slid it in. I'm not going to remove it because it is still difficult. So this is your water bladder compartment, and so let me show you here. Here is where it comes out. It's a pretty tight fit to run your hose up through here. And I will say that another thing that if you're listening, 511, another thing that could be done differently with the algae, the water hose here, is where it comes out and where the hole is. I don't know if you can see that or not. Here is your access port right here. However, you have this pouch for what you see here is your sunglass pocket. And then here is your access port right here. Can you see that? Is behind this pouch. So your hose will have to go around or under this pouch right here. I hope I'm making myself clear there. Another fail for design from 511 Tactical. Now, and another thing I did think that was really cool about this is, I mean, it does have great handles. It's got this great carry handle, great Velcro, great zippers, and it's also got this comm pouch up here. And you can run your, I put ammo in here, 22 ammo or 410 shells right here in this little pouch. But you know, I thought this was a really nice addition. I love the strap, high quality, great. Again, the buckles are fantastic. But one thing again I thought was a really plus for 511 was the addition of this comms pouch. I don't know why they missed so many things on a single bag. You know, and again, I love this. It is my Scout Pack. I've been carrying it. I wanted to carry it a full season before I did a review, and I've taken it on pre-season scouts. I think I even took it on small game hunt. It's going to be my new small game bag. Can't do a whole lot of carrying and filming. You seen I had that tripod attached to the side, but I'm not going to get too much more into the specs. I just wanted to point out those design improvements I believe that could have made this a 10 out of 10. I probably have to give this, it's hard to say, no more than a 7. Quality would be a 10, design a 7. But again, I love it. I use it. I would not buy it again. I paid $100 for it. I think it's on sale right now for $80 with President's Day coming up. But yeah, that's my impressions. You know, I hope I didn't hurt anybody's feelings. But I'm saying what I feel like this could have made this Sling Pack an awesome bag. So anyway, thanks again so much for just listening to my 2 cents, and we'll see you next time.